My name is Dawn Coleman with the Ohio State University South Centers Manufacturing Extension Partnership. I would like to welcome a few of the directors from Southeast Ohio, Habitat for Humanity, and let them explain a little bit about the Project Playhouse that we will be involved in and partnering in with the local manufacturers of our region.
My name is Caitlyn Moritz. I'm the Director of Community Engagement here at Habitat for Humanity of Southeast Ohio. And I was born and raised in Southeast Ohio, so that is why I'm super passionate about helping families grow and stabilize their lives here.
My name is Melissa Best. I live in Muskingum County, and I've been with Habitat for Humanity for about 3 years now, a little over 3 years. And I was really grateful for the opportunity to work for an organization that really is interested in poverty housing and putting families in safe and affordable homes.
My name is Stephanie Taylor, and I am also a Community Engagement Director with Habitat for Humanity of Southeast Ohio. I have been with the organization about 4 months now, and as these ladies said, it's an exciting thing to be a part of an organization that has a mission.
So Project Playhouse is an awesome way for us to engage the children in the community. Oftentimes, we're obviously working with adult families when we're building homes in the community. We have constantly been trying to find ways, like I said, to engage the children in the community. And this has seemed to kind of merge the two worlds, the importance of housing at a young age and the kids. And it's just been great so far. We've had tons of community support. And what the Project Playhouse actually looks like is we have about 10 teams per event. So we each have a different event in all of our counties. And we'll have about 10 teams that come out and build a customized, unique playhouse for these children and their families to take home. And at the end of the day, the kids get to come and we do a huge reveal, and it's so fun.
We have a fantastic team building exercise for our sponsors where they come together and they have a lot of fun on the day of the build, actually building and painting and putting together the playhouse. And in the end, a child is blessed with a playhouse that without this opportunity wouldn't have a playhouse.
One building that can be built, it can be handicap accessible if it is needed to, designed uniquely with the kids' favorite colors, themes, characters, anything like that.
You're teaching the joy and pride of home ownership to a child at a very young age. And they'll learn that they need to take care of their playhouse, their little home. And we believe that it's going to help them change the way that they think about taking care of things. And again, the pride and joy of home ownership.
So the playhouses that we're building, they are 4 feet by 5 feet by 6 feet tall. It's just a very simple basic structure of a base, 4 walls, a door, a couple windows, and there's 4 windows, and a shingled roof. The fun thing that the sponsors get to do with the input from the children is design it so that it may be colorful and bright and happy. And some of the sponsors might get even a little crazier and add some things to it, maybe like a little table and chairs for them to play with, or a little box of outdoor toys. It's just really up to them. We don't require that.
Children are going to tell us their likes, their colors, their favorite colors, maybe a theme, anything else that would be helpful for our sponsors as they're thinking about how they're going to paint it. They will have that in mind. So it'll be customized, one of a kind, and very special and unique for that particular child.
Playhouses are completely customized. On the application, there's a place where the families can put the themes, characters, ideas. So it's not necessarily geared toward boys or girls. It's geared towards what they want. So they do a $50 deposit for the playhouse. And once they come to the event and we get to do the reveal with the child, they will actually arrange transportation and take it home that evening. So once they do that, they get their $50 deposit back. The Playhouse sponsorship allows us to not only partner with OSU MEP, but it also allows us to partner with another manufacturer in the community. And that has just been awesome because, as we've said before, the team building aspect in this is so important. And it's just a really unique opportunity, and we're just really thankful for that.
I would like to thank Habitat for Humanity, and I look forward to highlighting more great manufacturers in Southeast Ohio.